well.
Come on, Mr. Doctor. Look here, man. This brother can dress you.
Righteous. Come on, righteous.
Righteous and evil. Come here.
Righteous. You shall be baptized.
It's our constant dancer.
You okay? You took a nap? So we broke her out of her nap. Now, was she dancing or was she dancing? You're from St. Thomas, right?
St.
Croix? Okay, so I've been to St. Thomas. I've not been to St. Croix. But I've worked with some artists in St. Croix, Bamboo Station and some others. But where do you live now? Okay, and when did you leave St. Thomas? Deerfield Beach, Florida.
Deerfield, Florida. I left in 1986 for college. 1986 for college. I went to University of Miami. Go Hurricanes. I've been in Florida ever since. Love the weather. I have to have sun. I have to have water. You know, they pay us in sunshine. They don't pay us in money there. The economy, not so much, but you know, it's what I love. So that's it.
And then we love your incredible energy. And I felt it from the moment I saw you at the airport in Amsterdam. And I was like, I think I want to talk to her. And then, you know, the Sisters with Locks, we were going through the hairstyle piece and talking about that. But talk about some of the similarities that you sense in Ghana as well as from where you're from. Because I'm sure there are some similarities.
Food. Of course, I'm a foodie, so that's the first thing I mentioned. You know, different spices, but also, let me just sit down because I'm half asleep. I saw the houses, the way they're built, infrastructure, and just lots of green, lots of trees, the greenery. You know, I was hugging a few trees. Love it. And of course, the people, they speak to you, they welcome you, they embrace you. You know, so I felt that was one of the things that was so awesome. It's very, very similar. So that's it.
Okay, I have one more question for you. Have you been here before?
No.
Okay, so for those of you, let me see the hands of those. This is the first time to Ghana. Oh, that's y'all. Okay. So, the tour literally just started. Is this day 3 or day 4? Because I'm confused.
I'm confused.
Okay, so it's the third day of the tour, and you have another 6 days. So, I'm going to ask this question again, maybe towards the end of the tour, but I'm asking you now, what has been the highlight of the tour so far for you?
It's just been awesome. Everybody's energy, the love. It's just been awesome. Wow. I just love everything. It's just been good. I can't just pick one. Because everything we go to, there's love, there's camaraderie, there's talking, there's unity. I can't pick just one thing.
It's a great thing.
Journey of a lifetime, truly.
And I deliberately asked that question too, as being devil's advocate, because it's really hard to pinpoint something. For some of us will say, oh, I enjoyed visiting the orphanages, and then you think about something else, and then you really can't compare it because it's about vibes. And I know in St. Croix, they say vibes is everything.
Oh yes.
And Bamboo Station, Jelani Horton says it so well. So we're going to take an intermission right now since we have stopped. And then when we come back after this break, we're going to talk to some of the people who really make this tour fun and safe and educational and peaceful and really connect because they're actually living in Ghana, West Africa. Can I get a hand clap? Yeah!